Dear students, welcome back to Chem Aspire. This is part 1 Quantum Mechanics lecture series. In this lecture class, we are going to derive Schrodinger time independent wave equation. Let's get started. Schrodinger time independent wave equation. We know that quantum mechanics deals with the behavior of elementary particles. Electron is also an elementary particle, and Schrodinger wave equation considers electron as a wave. It is considering it as a standing wave. Suppose say we have an electron and this electron is behaving like a wave. It is moving like this and it is behaving like a wave, and this is called as a standing wave. This is called as a standing wave. So let us consider the wave equation for wave function. Psi is equal to psi 0 sin omega t minus kx. Let us consider this as equation number 1, and this is the equation for the standing wave. Now let us differentiate this equation 1 with respect to x. So before that, let us know what are the variables here. Psi is equal to wave function. Psi is equal to wave function. Omega is equal to angular velocity. Angular velocity. T is equal to time. K is equal to wave vector, and x is equal to displacement. X is equal to displacement. Now let us differentiate this equation with respect to x. Dou psi by dou x is equal to psi 0 sin omega t is cos omega t minus kx into k. Let us differentiate again. So it is dou square psi by dou x square. So cos omega t is sin omega t. So psi 0 sin omega t minus kx into minus k into k, right? So this can be written as dou square psi by dou x square is equal to k square minus k square psi naught into sin omega t minus kx, right? So when you see this expression, we know psi 0 sin omega t minus ks is nothing but sin. So replace this term with sin. So dou square psi by dou x square is equal to k square into sin. K square into sin, or dou square psi by dou x square plus k square psi is equal to 0. So this is your equation number 2. Now you have to remove this term k, classical term, and replace it with a quantum mechanical term. We know k is equal to 2 pi by lambda, or k square is equal to 4 pi square by lambda, right? So let this be your equation number 3. Now put equation 3 in equation number 2. So replace k square by 4 pi square lambda square. This is lambda square. So your dou square psi by dou x square plus 4 pi square by lambda square psi is equal to 0. This is your equation number 4. This is your equation number 4. Now we have to replace this lambda term also. We know according to de Broglie equation, lambda is equal to h by mv, or lambda square is equal to h square by m square v square. So this is your equation number 5. Right? Now put equation number 5 in equation number 4. Put equation 5 in equation number 4. Right? So dou square psi by dou x square plus four pi square by h square m square v square psi is equal to 0. This is your equation number 6. Right? This is your equation number 6. Now we have to replace this term mv square. We know energy is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Kinetic energy plus potential energy. We know kinetic energy is given by half mv square and potential energy is equal to V. Energy is equal to E. So bringing V here, E minus V is equal to half mv square. So bring 2 here, it is 2 into E minus V is equal to mv square. Right? So multiply both the sides by m. Multiply both sides by m. Therefore, it is 2m E minus V is equal to m square V square. Right? So this is your equation number 7. Right? Put equation number 7. Put equation 7 in equation 6. Right? So it is dou square psi by dou x square plus 4 pi square by h square 2m E minus V into psi is equal to 0. This is your equation number 8. We know h cross is equal to h by 2 pi, or h cross square is equal to h square by 4 pi square. Right? So this is your equation number 9. Right? You substitute this equation number 9 in equation number 8. Put equation 9 in equation 8. So how equation 8 becomes? It is dou square psi by dou x square plus 2m E minus V by h cross square into psi is equal to 0. This is your equation number 10. And this equation is time independent wave equation in one direction, in one dimension. Dou square psi by dou x square plus dou square psi by dou y square plus dou square psi by dou z square plus 2m e minus b by h cross square psi is equal to 0, and this is the equation Schrodinger time independent wave equation in 3 dimension. These terms dou x square by dou square psi by dou x square, dou square psi by dou y square, dou square psi by dou z square can be replaced by del square psi plus 2m e minus b by h cross square into psi is equal to 0. This is another form of Schrodinger time independent wave equation for 3 dimension, where del is equal to I dou by dou x, j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. Right? Dear students, in this class we have derived Schrodinger time independent wave equation. That's it for today. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.